In this video, we're going to show you how to copy files from Google Drive in the cloud back onto your PC. So basically a recovery from backup. So first I need to get to Google Drive. So I can either do that in my breadbox over here on the right, and I could click Drive and that'll take me there, or I could just type drive.google.com and that'll take me there. Both take you to the same place. Here's my files. I need to first select which ones do I want. So I could either hold down the control button and choose random ones that I want to choose, like that. Or if I want them all, I'll just go Control A. That'll select everything. In this case, we're going to select everything, then we're going to go up on the top right here to More Actions. Under More Actions, we can choose Download, and that's going to drop our files down. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to prepare them, put all our files together into one file so we can send it down. It's done that. It's created the document and sent it down, and we can see that on the bottom left here. Now I want to find where it put that. Just in case I don't know, I can click on the little arrow and say Show in Folder. So I'm going to do that. Now it's brought me to my downloads on my PC onto my hard drive. There's the zip document that it just created. Now what I want to do is extract everything from it. To do that, we right click on it and say extract all. So I'm going to do that. When we do that, we get a dialog box and it asks us where do we want to put the files. I'm going to browse for that. And I'm going to say I'm going to put them back in my documents where I probably got them from. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to say select folder. I'm going to extract and boom. It's taken everything out of the zip file, put it back in the documents, and we are good to go. So that was a basic copy back from Google Drive onto your PC process.